Guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video today I'll be showing you how to build a calculator that will calculate two numbers. So let's get started. I'll be using only HTML and JavaScript, no CSS styles. So first thing we do is create two inputs. So input times 2, that's the keyboard shortcut. I don't need the type keyword, so I'm going to get rid of it. ID equals num1, placeholder equals enter your first number. ID equals num2, placeholder equals enter your second number. Next, I'll create a button. I'll give an ID of sum button. Enter. Div ID equals result. And we're done with our HTML. Time to move on to the JavaScript part. Var button equals document.getElement by ID sum button. So I just stored my button in a variable called button. If you have multiple buttons, you have to be more specific than naming your variable just button, because you might get confused which one is which. But since I just have one, I'll just name it button. It doesn't really matter what I name it. Button.addEventListener, click, it will listen for a click event. Function var num1 equals document.getElement by ID num1. var num2 equals document.getElement by ID num2. We want to convert those two numbers into actual numbers like integers, so we have to use the keyword number. So num1 equals number. Then we do num1 dot value. Num2 equals number num2 dot value. Then var sum equals I'm gonna define it down here. Var sum equals num1 plus num2. Var result equals document.getElement by ID result. Okay, now we'll do result.innerHTML, which equals the sum of plus num1 plus and plus num2 plus is plus sum. So what this is saying is the sum of whatever your first number is and whatever your second number is the sum. And sum, the variable sum, is num1 plus num2. So if num1 was 5 and num2 is 5, sum should be equal to 10. And that's about it. I'm just going to do some styling, just a little bit. I'm going to give the text color red and underline it. So underline. Now if I click on the button, it should work. 20, so 20 and 10, it should display 30. Yes, it works. Let's try again. How about 100 and 100? Okay, it works. Yay. I think this is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe and share it to anyone else who may want to build this project as well. Thanks for watching, and be on the lookout for my next video. I'll be posting part 2 of me recreating the Google homepage. So yeah, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you have a nice day.